In the previous lectures, we have gone through introduction to partnership and shares. Friends, I might you got clear idea on partnership and shares. Now we'll do some of few problems which are very important regarding to the introduction to partnership and shares. Let me go through some 4 to 5 problems so that you will get a clarity on partnership and shares. You can do any type of sums regarding introduction, and then the next part will be going through withdrawal model. We'll go with that, don't worry. Friends, let me see the first question. A and B started a business investing 8,000 and RS 16,000. There are two persons which are A and B. They started a business investing. A is investing how much? He is investing 8,000. B is investing how much? 16,000. And for 8 months and 12 months respectively. For let me T is investing for how much time period? He is investing for 8 months. And in the same manner B is investing for 12 months. Now what is profit? Which is nothing but investment in time period. Now therefore what I can get, these two will get cancelled. 8:16. Now 8:16 means 1:2. Now 1:2, and this also 1:2, and this also 2:3. Sorry, because 2:3. Therefore what will get 1 × 2, which is nothing, 2. Now 3:2, which is nothing but 6, right or not? And after taking again ratio, you can get 1:3. 1:3 will be had, will add both these how many parts? Four parts, which is the profit. So profit is 4 parts, and he also given that find the shares of them in a total profit of RS 16,000. They got a profit of 16,000. And we got a profit of four parts. Now I should equate this 4 parts to 16,000. Therefore 4 parts equal to 60,000 means 1 part is equal to how much? 4,000. Right or no, friends? 1 part equal to 4,000. So 1 part equal to 4,000. Then A share. What is A share? 1 part. Now therefore A share is 4,000. What is B share? B is having 3 parts now, so 3 4s are 12,000. We already know B will get more profit because he is investing 16,000 for 12 months. Now he is investing only 8,000 for 8 months. Definitely, by seeing the problem, we can say that B will be getting more profit. So we got here more profit, and these addition will be giving the total profit 12 plus 4, which is nothing but 16,000 now. So for this is a basic question. These questions will be asked in SSC. These questions, these basic questions will be asking in SSC. You can solve this in an easy manner. This is the way how you should solve. You just do practice, friends. You can get it very easily. Let me go to the second sum. What it told, P and Q started investing, friends. This is the same question like this. Just what I did now, just I changed the values. It's just for your practice. You just do it. If you unable to do it now, definitely I'll be doing in the coming lecture video. Don't worry. You just do it because it is just a same mode like this. I just change the values, that's it. Now let me go through this sum, which is very important. See, friends, what is told, P and Q started a business investing 50,000 and 60,000 respectively. 50,000 and 60,000 respectively. After 8 months, Q leaves. And R joins with a capital of 90,000. Find share of R in a total yearly profit of R 60,000. Friends, who started business? P, Q started business. What is their investment? His investment is 50,000. His investment is 60,000. And what it all time period now? After 8 months, Q leaves and R joins with a capital of 90,000. What is telling now, friends? See, if they will not mention any time period. Here they mention time period. For which they mention time period? For only Q they mention time period. So and they asked in share what they asked yearly profit now. For a year how many months will be there? Will be having 12 months now. So what it all for yearly profit means each and everyone will be investing for 12 months. What it all, but Q leaves after 8 months. So Q is investing for 8 months. As he haven't mentioned any time period for P now, definitely will be taking for 12 months. And what he told, after 8 months, Q leaves and R joins with a capital of 90,000. Now R is coming into picture with a capital of 90,000. He'll be investing for how much time period? Out of 12 months, Q you already invested for 8 months, so definitely it will be a 4 months now. So for 4 months R will be investing 90,000. Now we'll go to profit. These will get cancelled each other, 5:6:9, and these will be getting cancelled each other. What is that? 5:2 no, therefore 5:6:9 na. What is this profit? Cancel each other. 3:2:1 na. So and profit na 3 5 is 15:12:1 right or not? Now just you add this 1:9 na, so there here 1:9 na, and again you cancel it by 3, we'll be getting 5:4:3. Total how many parts that is? 5 plus 4 9 plus 12 parts. 12 parts is the profit. I should equate this 12 parts profit to 36,000 because he gave me the yearly profit is 36,000. Therefore 12 parts equal to 36,000. Right or no friends? 12 parts equal to 36,000. One part is equal to how many? 3,000. Right or no friends? And what he asked, find share of R. R is having how many parts? R share is 3 parts now. R share is 3 parts. Therefore one part is equal to 3,000 now. So 3 into 3,000, which is nothing but 9,000. Therefore 9,000 is the profit share of R. Friends, did you get this? Friends? You just go through again, you can understand this. Friends, I'm just taking the ratios and I'm just multiplying because profit is the depend on investment time. You just do multiplication. Therefore 5 into 3 15, 6 into 2 12, 9 into 1 9. Therefore I am cancelling with 3 5s are 3 4s are 3 3s are. Therefore 5:4:9. So 5 plus 4 plus 9, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. 12 parts is the profit. But in question they already mentioned that 12 parts is 36,000 because 12 parts is what it is profit now. He gave in question that profit is of 36,000. So I'm equating 12 parts to 36,000. Therefore one part equal to 3,000. And he asked that find share of R. R is having how many parts? He is having 3 parts now. Therefore one part equal to 3,000. 3 parts will be 9,000. Right or no friends? So this is the concept. Friends, you go through this. These are very important. This is very important question. These questions will be asking in this type of questions will be asked in bank examinations and SGSL. This type of question will play a major role, and also in CAT also they will be asking this type of question. But in GATE there will be a different level of questions which are somewhat, those are not difficult, but we should use logic there. We'll be solving the GATE questions also. The coming question is of GATE question, which is very very important. We should solve it. It's very important. I already kept star mark now. So these questions are very important. We'll discuss it in a simple manner, friends. Now friends, let me go through the question. A started a business with 45,000. After 3 months, B joined him with a capital of 60,000. And after another 6 months, C joined them with a capital of Rs 90,000. Find share of C in a yearly profit of 20,000. Friends, carefully read the question. It is very easy, but it will throw us into one confusion state with another 6 months. So friends, let me start this question. How many people are there? There are 3 people, which are nothing but A, B, C. Now let me go through the investments. A is investing how much? 45,000. Right or no, friends? B is investing how much? 60,000. And C is investing how much? 90,000. Now go through the time periods. A is investing for how many time periods? See friends, it didn't mention any time period for A. So I should take A as 12 months. But what he told, after 3 months B joined him with a capital of 60,000. After 3 months means out of all 3 months are over now. Remaining how many months? 9 months now. After 9 months, B is investing 60,000 per month, and after another 6 months, C joined them with a capital of 90,000. People, friends, so many people will keep here 6 months. Wrong, friends. We should not keep 6 months. What it will end after another 6 months now. After another 6 months, out of these 9 months, 6 months are over. How many months will be having here? We will be having only 3 months now. So now take the profit. So after taking the ratios, we'll get cancel each other. This will get cancel. What is this? This will cancel each other. we'll get what will get 45 6 now. So 4:6:9, which is nothing but 4 is to 3 is to 1. Therefore we'll be getting 3 into 4 is to 4 into 3 is to 6 into 1. Now we'll cancel 12 is to 6 now. Therefore we'll get divide by 6, 2 is to 2 is to 1. So total parts how many? 5 parts now. What he told, this 5 parts is the profit, but he already told that profit is equal to 20,000. Therefore 5 parts equal to 20,000. Now 1 part is equal to how many? 4,000 now. What he asked, find share of Sheena. C is how many parts? 1 part now. So for C share is, as C share is 1 part, therefore C share is 4,000. Friends, got the question. This type of questions will be asking in GATE and CAT. Please you go through this. You just don't worry, don't confuse here. They will put us into a confusion state by framing a question like this. So don't worry. You just go through it. You can complete it. You can do it well. I can. After releasing this lecture video, definitely you'll get confidence for doing the sums and participations. Friends, let me go through another important question, which is very important. See, they are asking time periods, ratio of time periods. So far we have discussed sums on shares of profit. Now what is asking? Ratio of time period. Ratio of time periods they are asking now. So now what we'll do, how much we'll be having, we'll do. See friends, A, B and C started a business investing RS in the ratio 5:6:8. They given in ratio. If at the end of year they share the profits in the ratio 5:3:12, find the ratio of the time periods. Very good question, friends. See friends, what he given? Investment he given. What is investment ratio? 5:6:8. And he also given profits now. So profits, what is the ratio? 5:3:12. What we know, profit is equal to invest into time period now. Therefore I can get time period now. Time period is equal to profit by investment now. Therefore what is the time period from here? 1 is to 2 is to what will be getting here? What will be getting here? See friends, profit is equal to investment time period. So therefore time period is equal to profit by investment now. What is profit here? 5/1, which is nothing but here 3/6 now, here 12/8 now. Therefore 1 is to 1/2 is to 3/2. Now get into fractions, will be multiplied with 2. Therefore 2 is to 1 is to 3. Therefore the total time period is what? This is the ratio of time period. Friends, you get the concept. They given investment, they given profit now. They asking ratio in terms of time period. And time period now. So what is time period? Time period is, we know profit is equal to time into investment. Therefore time is equal to profit by investment. Therefore profit by investment 5/5 is 1, 3/6 is 1/2, 12/8 is 3/2. I'm just multiplying with 2 so that I can cancel denominators. Therefore 2 is to 1 is to 3 is the time periods. Friends, I think you're getting the concept. Friends, these are the questions based on time periods. Friends, now I request you to do this sum. If not, I'll be teaching in the coming lecture video. You just solve it, because this is also in time period now. This is also in time period now. We already did a sum on time period, so I request you to do this sum. If not, don't worry, I'll teach you in the coming lecture video. Thank you friends for listening the class. We'll be discussing withdrawal model in the coming next lecture videos, and we'll be solving this problem also. Don't worry. Thank you friends. Please follow the lecture videos. It is very useful to you. Thank you friends.